I just want to start off this video with just clearing that my voice may sound a little funny because I'm currently sick as a recording this video. I am getting better though, but let's get back to the main content of this video, which is that my room has changed a little bit since I last did this up tour. I believe it was last year. So let's go ahead and let's zoom out and let's get started. So right here I have a couple of Macintosh posters, my LG TV, a bed, and then a Macintosh Performa box. The computer no longer has device organizers right here. For my new set of shelves I'll show. Right here I have my Swiffer, which I don't really use that much anymore. Now I'll have somebody come and clean our house. Right here's my Apple box tower with a bunch of books and stuff down here. And then right here there is my bedside table, which I keep most of my non-Apple phones in, along with some other miscellaneous stuff like Walkman. There's a surge protector, and those weights are just keeping me in here right now because it's raining outside. This right here is my Macintosh Plus, which apparently has a dying hard drive. This right here is a fan that I use to sleep at night so I get white noise. This right here is a pencil sharpener that I haven't really used since the pandemic. This right here is a light that I don't really use all that much anymore, but still works. I unboxed this back in 2020. In a video I'll link up here. And right here's my actual desk itself, which has my iMac, my old Toshiba Windows 7 desktop that was my first ever computer that used to be the family computer. Now it lives in my room. Grandma's old Acer desktop that is now mine. More Apple boxes and autographed photo of Steve Jobs. A couple more surge protectors. And this right here is the side drawers where I keep basic stuff, like an Apple TV remote, some tape. This right here is where I keep all my software, floppies and CDs and DVDs. This right here is where I keep my electronics repair kit alongside some other miscellaneous stuff like a cheap camera I reviewed in this video. That down there is some more miscellaneous stuff. This right here is the main thing that has changed, which is my new cabinet. So right here on this top shelf is where I keep my Blue Snow mic, my Beats headphones, and my AirPods Max, my Apple International travel adapter kit, mostly iPhones, AirPods, iPods. This right here is where I keep my iPads, some iPad accessories, Newtons, my Alpha Smart, my eMate 300, my 3 Apple TVs and my 2 airports, my other Android tablets, and my Texas Instruments calculator. This right here is where I keep all my Mac laptops that are small enough to fit in here. Alongside some hard drives and other random accessories. This right here is actually the base to my Christmas tree. This right here is where I keep my laptops that are too big for the top shelf, as well as just other laptops, mainly non-Apple ones. And then these two overflowing containers are where I keep my cables. This right here is just a couple other bags I use when I need to transfer a large amount of devices at once. My 2 Echoes, an Echo Dot and an Echo Spot. Alongside boxes and manuals to non-Apple stuff. Right there is my iMac G3, which does work, I just don't have it powered on. Here's some more Apple boxes. This right here is a dustpan that I sometimes use. I don't really use it that much anymore now. We have somebody comes clean my house. This right here is a sign that says Tay Street because I used to be really into road signs. So someone's friends got that for me back when I was 6. Still have that. And on the inside is my closet, which I keep a whole lot of various stuff in, like some shirts, suitcases, Christmas wrapping, school supplies, all that stuff. So that is in short a tour of my room. And those curtains aren't usually shut. I just have them shut so that way you all can't see what's outside of my house. So that way I don't dox myself. But as always, thank you all for tuning into this video. I'm the iTunes family, and as always, peace out.